my first question right off the bat for you, hope you can answer, is that I know a lot of times as actors, we struggle to get footage.
Yeah.
And when we get those, one clip, two clips, is what amount for a first reel, what is the amount of footage an actor should have?
Yeah, I don't know if there's any said limit or amount that is good. I mean, I tend to find making a pretty solid reel, I'd say like 3 to 5 clips is usually pretty good. Like if you have an actual scene, I wouldn't recommend putting in like featured background or anything like that, because first of all, to casting, casting knows better. And also it won't last very long on your reel. But I say if you don't have more than 2 or 3 clips, then I would say just keep those as clips and send them individually for a reel until you have more. But yeah, I'd say like 3 to 5 is a good starting spot.
Off the top of your head, what would be the top 3 things that make a stellar reel? If you're looking at a reel, you think this one is perfect with its length, what it includes. Is there a title card?
I personally like a title card. I know that would be something I think you'd ask your agent individually, or if you have an agent. But I generally like to have at least the name. I don't think you have to have the contact information, because if someone's seen your reel, chances are they received it from you, so they have your contact information. But the top things that the reel focuses on you, that we can really see a little bit of depth in your ability. I know when we're starting out, we don't usually have great footage to really show off what we can do, but something that focuses on you and the sound quality and the video quality is pretty good. That's a good start.
How about any specific no-nos? Something you should never do, never see?
Again, your background work, I don't think is the best idea. Huge no-nos. I mean, things I wrote down are like, don't be too precious with the work, trim it down a bit. You don't have to tell a story. Don't be too redundant. If you've kind of shown something that you can do in your reel, you don't need to show it again. I mean, unless you don't have a ton of footage to begin with. Yeah, good sound, good video are the most important things, and keep the focus on you.
And for that point, I think you've said this before, but just to make sure that the reel opens on you,
mm-hmm.
that the actor, that should be the first shot that they see.
Yeah, exactly. And I know because I started this by doing my own demo reel, and I think it's trickier to do your own. And I know I'm a little guilty of, sometimes like even the reel I currently have between you and me, I have another actor's voice first, but you do see me first, but you do. So yeah, it's probably better to, they want to know when the reel starts, you want to know whose reel it is. So if it's going to be, you don't want to show the other guy and be like, oh, is it his reel or his reel? So make sure the focus is on you.